So this, you can see by this window, the old one that we taken out, there's condensation and it's fogging up. Customer called out to come and have us replace the ones that in this condition. So that's what we're doing.
And before you get the windows in, after you clean out the rabbits, you want to clean the glass on both sides, just so it makes it easier, so you don't have to go back and do it after you're done.
After you clean the glass, just go ahead and silicone your rabbits.
Alright, now that we have it in place, we're going to cut some vinyl to match the lengths of each side.
So you can see this window here is a darker color than these. Since these windows had condensation, the customer's replacing these. And later, as they go by, they're going to finish replacing the rest of them to match the ones like that. The ones that had the condensation is the ones we're doing now. So when you're ready to replace your windows, just give Jay Paul a call and we'll come out, measure them, give you an estimate, and come out and replace them with quality windows.